Good morning, Divergence traders. It is August 20th. Um, very cold in Canada. Holy shit. It was like down to like 9 degrees. I know a lot of you in the States wouldn't know what that is, but very cold, man. I can't believe how cold it is. Yeah, the heating up of the of the world. I don't know about that. Anyway, right now we're looking at oil. MCL, yes, the micro oil. That's what we're looking at. And I put this in here to see if they're going to buy off it, and they did. I got no trade in here. But there was divergence. Let me show you. This is oil we're looking at, okay? Right here. There's usually good divergence on oil. Believe it or not, there really is. And that's why I've added it to my Ninja Trader list of markets. So you would have got in, after the lower close, buy it. Would have went down and freaked out a little bit, but it was okay. And it went up pretty good here. Then we had higher highs, as you can see, and a lower high on the OSMA. The OSMA is pointing down. Okay, it's it's what I call easy to see bearish divergence, which other people might call it regular divergence. Me, I call it easy to see because it's making a high and a higher highs. It's easy to see it. It's the hidden divergence that's very hard to find. And that's why I call it hard to see divergence. Okay? Okay, we covered that. Like, I made a whole course, like you all know, and I renamed a whole bunch of things in there because I specialize in divergence, and that's why. I've proven it to myself over and over again, and I've proven it to many, many people around the world that it works, especially if you use the tools that I use, which is the OSMA is the main tool. That's where you find your valleys and mountains, and you find the divergence setups, Believe it or not, the most critical thing in trading is your setup, your entry. The one major critical thing, you have to, in your mind and body and soul, you have to believe in it. Okay? You have to believe in your technical formation or whatever you're trading, or when the fucking MACD crosses up above the zero line, you buy, or when the MACD crosses below the zero line, which is right here, okay, then you sell. I sold right in here, and I just closed it right here at the gray line, which I manually put on the chart because I don't have them. For some reason, my indicator doesn't work on here. I don't freaking know why. And I can't get a hold of the guy who coded it. He's in Ukraine, and they have a fucking sanction for Ukraine, so I can't fix it. Unless I get someone to work on it. But I don't like working with those coders. Anyway, back to the fucking chart, Jason. Back to the chart. So yeah, so I sold it in here from the higher highs, and it went down beautifully. And I knew when it was gonna hit somewhere in here, I knew it was gonna fucking bounce back up, and that's what it did. That's what it did. There's always buyers there, but I wouldn't be surprised that this is just a higher close, sell it, and down it goes, because oil loves to trend. I wouldn't be surprised we're gonna head to S2 and maybe even S3, that way down there. See, way down here, but in reality, I don't fucking know where it's going right now, right here. Where's it going? I don't know. What's it going to do? I don't know. What's it going to say? I don't know. You know what I mean? That's all assuming where your mind thinks it's going to go. And that's the biggest mistake you can make in trading, is assuming that it's going to go back up or it's going to come down from here. You know what I'm saying? You need to trade what you see, not what you think. Because what you think is more often than not is wrong. You go, "Oh, I think it's going to go up." You don't know. You've got to see proof of it, you know? Right up here with the higher highs, with my two eyes, they slammed it down through the moving averages right here and closed here. I knew right there, seeing with my eyes, not assuming, okay, that it was gonna go down. Where was it gonna go down to? I don't know, and I was right. You know, that's the way you gotta look at this. You gotta once I used to lose, okay, just like most people, I used to lose too a lot, and as soon as I started trading with my eyes, that's when I started doing some winning trades. Okay, trade with your eyes, not with your mind, if you know what I'm saying. Well, you do need your mind too, because your mind has to tell you, okay, well, it's probably going to keep going down, so let's sell, right? But it's trade what you see, not what you think. And believe me, what I just said, that is so powerful in your trading, you would not believe. Look, it's continuing its journey down. They just broke the low of this wick right here. They're probably going to here, next target. I don't know for sure. So my whole point I'm trying to make is, not only do you have to trade what you see and not what you think, but you have to have trust in what you're trading. Because if you don't have trust in it, every time a setup happens, you're going to be sitting there going, "Oh, I don't know if I should do this trade. I don't know." And you'll be fighting yourself. And then you'll watch it go down, like it was looking like it was going to do, because you saw it with your eyes, right? And you'll be sitting there going, "Oh, fuck, I always do this. I see the setup. I hesitate to get in it because I don't trust it." You know what I mean? So you don't trust it, you don't get in, you miss the fucking trade, and you watch it go all the way down. You know what I'm saying? I know, because I've done it. Look at how nicely it's going down now. I got to take my coat off here. I'm starting to overheat. Mode Z. Mode Z, Tabernacle. Oh, okay. A little hard getting out of that chair. Just one sec here. I got to hang up my fucking coat. Freezing in fucking Canada. It's August, for fuck's sakes. It's not supposed to freeze until late September, October. Well, first week in September it starts getting chilly. So anyway, yeah, beautiful trade here. See, we have a higher close, but it's not very close to the 5. The 5's up here. Okay? Okay, so let's go look at yeah, and also if you're going to trade oil, I find the better trustable setups are on the 5-minute, not on the 2-minute, the 5-minute. See up here? The 5. Okay. I'm out of breath. Okay, we want to see the mess. The mess, yeah. I traded the mess too today. I did that gold, not the gold. I did that oil trade we were just looking at. Took 40 out of that, 40 points. Ticks, I guess you could call it. Okay, so we're looking at S&P 500 now. And we're looking at on the 5-minute. Let me put that on the 2-minute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Start Start talking. The mucus starts coming. Mode Z. Oh, beautiful trade right here. Let me show you. Right here. Low and lower low. See that? Boo, boo, boo. And right here. Oh. We'll just tweak it a little bit, okay, guys? Nothing's perfect. I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. Your wife's not perfect. Your whatever's not perfect. You know what I mean? Nobody's fucking perfect. Even this chart. Now let's see if we can tweak this a little bit. We'd take it from here, up here. I don't think so. I think it looks bigger. Come here, you little... Oh, stop that. Okay, let's bring this up and see. Maybe it's level divergence, which is something I made up in my head. There is no such thing. Excuse me. I had to get those loogies out of my fucking throat. Jesus. I don't know if this is... Oh, it looks like it's going down a little bit, eh? 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 Come on down, you little bugger. Yeah, it's pointing down, right? See the space between here and here? And here and here, there's more on this side, so it's sloping down. Okay, there's divergence. It was actual divergence. I jumped in right here. And I got out about right here. It was good. It was very, very good. Yes, very, very good. Very good. Where the hell am I? Oh, man, I'm lost here sometimes. Sorry. Okay. You would have got in there once the 5 crosses down below the 7, which is the white dash line is the 5 and the pink line is the 7. And no, I do not like pink. I use it because I can see it clearly on the chart. Just like my candles are blue, I'll never put them green because the green and the red kind of like, say you mix green and red together. What color would you get? Right? Something kind of like dark camouflage kind of thing. So I have a hard time seeing something sometimes because I'm colorblind. There. And supposedly only men can get colorblind, not women. So women are lucky in that way. But look at the fake out we have here. Look at ladies and gents. We have lower lows. See? And right here. And we have a buy here. But where did it go? Nowhere. It was a fucking fake out. It was a fake out. It was a bad trade. But if you did this trade from up here and held it all the way down here, or you did you know what you did right there. Higher close, sell it, and it goes down. Here's another one. And yeah, so if you would have sold it in here, it went down really nice for you. Yeah, need some water. So yeah, you're supposed to buy in there. Didn't go very far. Oh, I just took one of those vitamin C's that are really tangy. You almost choke on it. So anyway, from our entry point to the stop, always, I haven't talked about the stop lately. Stop always goes at the closest swing low. And if you did get long here, it still didn't come down and hit your stop. But What's it going to do here? Is it going to continue lower, or is it going to go back up now? Who knows? You'll know when you see it with your two eyes. Okay, so that's the trades on the NASDAQ on NinjaTrader. So we'll move along now. Let's go to MetaTrader. Oh, it pulled back. Oh, it was rallying up so nicely. XRP. Okay. Here's the 5 minute. I bet you there's no divergence. And there isn't. There isn't. No. No. That's why you got to trade on a 2 minute chart or a 1 minute. Because there's no setups in the 5, man. There might be after. If you wait long enough, you might see one. No trades. Okay, the S&P, I had it on the daily because I wanted to see how far back up it came from. You remember that Friday where they started selling? Yeah. And it was like another whole week. These 2 weeks here were just crazy. And look how it came back up. Right back where we started from. So something bad happened in the markets and spooked the market down. And then after they, after the cleanup, then they take it back up, right back up here. It's probably going to go to a new high. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's look at the Dow Jones. 15 minute. Oh, what a mess. 5 minute. Oh, what a mess. What a mess. I don't even want to mark anything on there. Look at it. Wicks, wicks, wicks. Even up here. Went up too far, too fast. No divergence in here to sell it to come down here. None. None. Pound dollar. It's all messed up, too. Everything's fucking messed up today, Mode Z. Everything's messed up, ladies and gentlemen. What do we do? What do we do? Oh, I see it. But will it work out? I don't know. It's going to have to work out later on. It's not going to work out right now. There. See it? So now the 5 needs to come, the price needs to come down. The 5 needs to cross back down below the 7, and you get ready to sell it to the downside. If that's what happens, who knows what will happen? It'll happen later on. And the euro? Well, at least on the euro, we have a trade, a double bottom, basically, right there. I know, it's a little messed up. I know. There. There it is. Double bottom. See, as you can see on the right side, it's a little bit shy on this side, but still, it counts. That's a double bottom, baby. That's a double bottom. Right there. And you would have got long in there. And this is the euro. Yeah, this is the euro. How much did it go up? Oh, went up decent today, 34 pips. That's nice. That's nice for the traders who trade it. Okay, pound yen. Let's see what it did. Oh, look at this big block of chop right here. Chopping block right here. This is where the heads start flying. The chopping block. Mode Z. Okay, we have higher highs up here. And it's standing right out at you. See? Right there, you would have got short. Right in here. Boom. And that one went down. How much did it go down? Well, it went down 64 pips on the pound yen. Then it went sideways into the chopping block. Yeah, and then they broke through out of that and took it down a little more. Maybe they'll take it right back to the low of the day over here in the Asia session. This is an Asian pair, eh? So when you trade this, you know, it's probably better to trade it in the Asia session, not the US session. Holy shit. Session. Fucking can't talk today, Mozi. Okay, Euro Yen, same look. See it? Those higher highs up on the left side of the chart? Yeah, same shit. See, right here, look. Higher highs. See this here? See? Same thing. It's identical. Everything's identical. Same come down, same chopping block. Yeah. You see it. I don't have to say it. And oil. Did oil keep coming down? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it was right here. I got out. Yeah, it kept coming down. Nicely. Remember I said, oh, I'm not going to go relive that. Okay, and then we had gold. What? Oh, look at the big tumble in gold. Oh. Look at down here. Look at the oscillation. Look at this shit. This is on the 5 minute. Look at this. See, they got everybody going. Buy. It's going to go up now. Gold always goes up. Never goes down. Buy now. Yeah. They trick people 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. They trapped them 6 fucking times and took it down and got their stops and took it down and scared them out of their trade and took it down and got all their stops. Do you see that, ladies and gentlemen? And over here, scared the poop out of them. Over here again. And there's no fucking divergence from the top. There's no double top. There's no higher highs. It's just a sucker punch right into your face. And then look what it does, eh? When you least expect it, it tumbles like no tomorrow. Yeah. Let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, it's just hanging up there doing not much. And XRP is pulling back. Yeah, it was starting to rally. I was hoping we are going to have the big moon. Up to the moon, baby. XRP moon. Yeah. Okay. And silver, still hanging out up there from when they stomped on it, stepped on it, squished it like a big turd on the grass, like, you know, from your dog. Yeah. They love to step on silver. And Ethereum, oh, it's coming back down. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's all the markets I cover, and I hope you enjoyed watching the show. Thank you for coming out to the show, and thank you for listening to the show. If you're going to trade this afternoon, power hour with, you know, the S&P or the Dow or the the spastic NASDAQ, be careful. Good luck and good trading. And what I've forgotten so many videos now is I am not a financial advisor. I'm just some idiot on the internet that's been looking at Divergence since 2007. Okay? That's all I am. Just because I say, oh, higher highs, oh, lower lows. You know, I'm not telling you to buy or sell or smoke anything, okay? All right, have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.